Hi there, my name's Amy. I'm a horticulturalist here at the Greenery Garden Home in Heidelberg, and it's finally summer and we're getting all of our beautiful summer potted colour stock in, all of our gorgeous flowers, and I thought I would show you some colour combinations. So this week at the Greenery we have got in these beautiful flowering hibiscus. They are stunning. This one here is called Kato and it's a blue. It's actually quite remarkable, I've never seen it before. It's a stunning new variety. And pairing it with things like petunias, things that love the sun. These beautiful plum ice petunias are a fantastic option, or the blue vinca is also something that you can pair it with to add a bit of colour to your garden and to match the colours together. All of these flowers are sun hardy, and another beautiful sun hardy, sun loving plant is the ignition blue salvia. Now this one's particularly lovely and it would go perfectly in this colour combination. And when matching colours together you can also add things like the silver, beautiful Cineraria silver dust, and also popping in contrasting colours like yellow in a purple or blue setting is a lovely contrast and a really bright pop. So some other varieties of hibiscus are this beautiful Flaming Glory. It's a deep red orange colour, it's quite gorgeous, and the Orange Delight is also stunning. I thought with these two flowers you could add the Snapdragon Sunset. They go so well together. Look at that gorgeous colour combination. And again, they're all sun tolerant plants, so the Orange Celosia would also be quite lovely in that spot as well. So next up we have the purple combination. So something really fantastic about flowers is that sometimes they have colour all throughout the petals, and you can match up all different colours from just one flower. So here we've got the purple dahlia, so stunning. The violet dianthus goes really well with that, and it also goes really well with this gorgeous deep pink reddish dahlia. You can pick up parts within the centre of this flower, purple bits that you can match with all different colours. So all the plants I've talked about so far have been for the sun. So if you have a position in your garden that is a little bit more shady and you want to add a pop of colour, here are some beautiful suggestions. So the lovely Impatiens, this is a Rococo and it's a lovely orange, and they come in a range of different colours. I've also got normal Impatient here in the white, and here is the Collier. So this is a foliage feature, and it gets to about 50 centimetres or so if you need a bit of height, and a range of different coloured leaves. These are stunning. So something to consider when planting your garden is what plants are suitable for what position. So a lot of these plants are suitable for the sun and a hot position, and some of them are for shaded areas. It's really important for the plants that you're making sure that you're putting them in the right position. Here at the Greenery we can help you in your plant selection and make sure you have gardening success. The most important thing to remember is that it's your garden at the end of the day, and you get to choose what you put where. As long as they're going in a position that is suitable for them, you can put your flowers in all sorts of different colour combinations. You can break the rules and have fun with it. And that's my video on playing around in your garden, matching colours in summertime. If you have any questions, come and see us here at the Greenery Garden Home in Heidelberg. We're open 6.5 days a week.